Article 36 of an Indian constitution defines the term state. Article 36 is similar to Article 12. Basically, what is state and what comes under state? A state is a political entity that regulates society and the population within a territory. According to international law, the state should have these four things: indigenous population, sovereignty, territory and the government. And what comes under state? Legislature and executive organs of the union government and the state government, local authorities, municipalities and gram panchayatis, other authorities, statutory and non-statutory authorities within the territory of India. Here you might ask, what is the difference between Article 12 and Article 36? Article 12 comes under fundamental rights and the Indian Parliament has the power to make laws. When it comes to Article 36, Article 36 comes under directive principles of state policy. The state government has powers to make laws. Here there are two questions for all of you. Is the judiciary comes under state and is India a state? Let me know in the comments.